Alright, good morning everyone. I can't sleep and I'm due to get up for work in 2 hours, so let's make a video. This is the a video response for the Made in USA challenge. Took a look around, found a couple of things that are made in the USA. For example, my number one, Zippo, Bradford, Pennsylvania. Very nice. The Everlasting Vice Grips, whoop, made in USA. The Mini Maglite, California, USA. The Eternal Bic Lighter, also made in USA. Well, this one isn't. I'm sure you can find some imitations. So yeah, found a couple of small objects, interestingly, that are made in the USA that I have in my possession here in Canada. So I guess you probably have a few more of your own if you're in the US. Question is, can I find anything here that's made in Canada?